Hi, I'm Dr. Athena Paradise from Portland Natural Health, and I'm excited to talk to you today about vitamin D. I love vitamin D and all of the amazing things it does for our body. It really interacts more like a hormone than a vitamin because it affects so many different systems. It affects how well your brain works, your mood, your joints and how strong they are, how well they repair. It affects heart function, it affects digestion, and just how well so many systems interact. A funny thing to know, the National Institute of Health did a research study and found that Oregon has the lowest vitamin D levels of any state in the union. And so if you're living in Oregon, it's an important vitamin to supplement. I want to tell you about a couple of different kinds of vitamin D. We have an olive oil vitamin D. Vitamin D is fat soluble, so you want to take it with fats so that it can be absorbed well. I always tell my patients to take their vitamin D with their fish oils. This is an olive oil suspension, so there's no soy. A lot of people are allergic to soy, and most vitamin Ds you can buy are in a soybean lecithin. And so this is a way to take care of that. This is my favorite vitamin D. It's an emulsion. It's already in a liquid form. You just put a few drops on your tongue. The research I've seen on this product shows that it's more highly absorbable than any of the other forms of vitamin D that I've seen. Right? And then Sunshine in a Bottle. This is a nice high dose of vitamin D. It's 10,000 IUs in every capsule, but it's also got vitamin K. I mentioned earlier that vitamin D is really important for gut function. Anyone who has gut issues, celiac disease, IBS, gluten sensitivities, has had any antibiotic exposure or major traumas, your gut is not working properly. And the Sunshine in a Bottle provides both the vitamin D and the vitamin K, which is very challenging to find in our natural environment, so that you can have maximum gut repair. National Institute for Health's recommendation for vitamin D is 10,000 IUs a day for adults and somewhere between 2,000 and 4,000 IUs a day for kids. I've got two great chewables. One is a chocolate flavor, one is a blackcurrant flavor. Kids love these. They'll actually do chores and stuff because they want them so much. That's always nice. So that's it. Make sure you're taking your vitamin D every day and you will notice a substantial difference. You want to also every few months get tested for your vitamin D levels. It's a very simple and fairly inexpensive blood test, and you can have that done right here at P&H or at any major lab. All right, looking forward to seeing your smiling face.